Welcome to Car Trend. Today we're exploring the luxurious, redefined 2025 Genesis 90 desk, a flagship sedan that brings elegance, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance together in one premium package. Genesis has raised the bar with this model, combining high-end craftsmanship and a host of advanced features, making the G90 a serious competitor in the luxury sedan market. Let's dive into the details and see what the 2025 90 offers. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Genesis G90 exudes sophistication and bold design. At the front, you'll notice its signature crest grille, flanked by sleek dual-line LED headlights that give it a commanding and elegant presence. The body lines are smooth yet assertive, creating a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. Genesis has kept the profile clean and refined, adding a sense of flow from front to rear, while the long wheelbase accentuates the sedan's substantial and poised stance. The car sits on striking 20-inch alloy wheels that add a touch of sporty flair to its luxurious design, and every element of the exterior has been carefully crafted to emphasize exclusivity and style. Inside, the 90's cabin is where luxury truly comes to life. The interior is crafted with premium materials like Napa leather, genuine wood, and brushed metal accents, creating a sophisticated and comfortable environment. The seats are not only incredibly comfortable, but also equipped with advanced features such as heating, ventilation, and massage functions for both front and rear passengers. Genesis has included an ergonomic, spacious design that enhances comfort on long drives, and with options for ambient lighting, passengers can set the mood to their liking. In terms of sound, the 90 includes a state-of-the-art 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, ensuring crystal-clear audio for music, calls, or any audio entertainment. The technology in the 2025 G90 is state-of-the-art, with the 12.3-inch infotainment screen seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, providing access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The system is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and is controlled through a rotary dial for an easy and distraction-free experience. In addition to the main screen, there's a separate 12.3-inch digital driver display that gives essential driving information such as speed, fuel levels, and real-time navigation, right within the driver's line of sight. Rear passengers also enjoy a unique experience, with individual touchscreens to control their climate, audio, and seating preferences, providing a high level of personalization and comfort. Performance-wise, the Genesis 90 offers a choice of powerful engine options. It starts with a 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo engine, delivering a robust 375 horsepower. But for those who want an even more powerful experience, there's an option for an electrified powertrain that combines the twin-turbo V6 with an electric motor, providing 420 horsepower. Both engine options are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth and responsive shifts, while all-wheel drive comes standard for enhanced stability and control. The G90 also includes adaptive air suspension, allowing the car to automatically adjust its ride height and dampening settings based on driving conditions. In terms of ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride, the G90 with advanced features designed to protect everyone on board. The car comes with a full suite of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. The forward collision avoidance system, with pedestrian and cyclist detection, helps prevent potential accidents, while the rear cross-traffic alert and parking assist systems make parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier and safer. Additionally, the G90 includes a unique remote smart parking assist, allowing the driver to park the vehicle remotely using just the key fob. A feature that adds both convenience and a touch of futuristic flair. The 2025 Genesis 90 is priced starting around $75,000, and its position as a true luxury sedan that offers exceptional value for its class. With its combination of style, comfort, performance, and technology, the G90 is a fantastic option for those seeking a premium driving experience without the steep price tag typically associated with high-end European brands. Genesis has created a car that redefines expectations in the luxury segment, providing everything from standout design to high-end features, making the G90 a top contender. If you're considering a luxurious yet competitively priced flagship sedan, the Genesis 90 deserves a spot on your list. With its impressive blend of elegance, technology, and performance, this car offers a remarkable experience for both drivers and passengers alike. Thanks for tuning in to CarShay, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on your thoughts about the 2025 Genesis G90. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest in the automotive world.